Hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Today I'm in the beautiful Mandalena Hotel here in Protaras. Right, hello John, nice to meet you.
Hello.
And we're going to see your room, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
We're going to have a little tour of this hotel.
Yep.
And it's a lovely location, isn't it?
Perfect location in between Protaras and Venera. It's a beautiful spot, yeah.
And we've got some lovely cat residents.
Perfect timing.
Perfect.
Perfectly.
There we are. And there was another one over there somewhere.
Yes.
Now you bought something special for us.
We have, yes.
Haven't you?
Yes.
Let's have a look then,
Something
John.
for you to auction for Ella's Blind Cat Sanctuary.
Wow, look at this, guys. A lovely t-shirt, lovely quality, isn't it?
Yeah, they're good t-shirts.
And we've got Ella's Blind Cat Sanctuary there at the front. We've got Cyprus Insight. There we are. Let's just have a look at that photo again. And also we've got something on the back, haven't we?
Perfect,
we have.
George,
look at
perfect.
this, guys. Unbelievable. I love it. Beautiful t-shirts. Now we will be auctioning these off.
Perfect,
We're
yes.
going to auction these off,
Yes,
guys,
please.
and all the proceeds are going to go to Ella's Blind Cat Sanctuary.
Excellent.
Well, thank you very, very much,
Thank
John.
you, George.
Look out for the auction.
Yeah, brilliant, thank you.
Oh, sorry, what can I do for you? Oh, biscuits, sorry. Can we have some biscuits, please? Oh, you can...
Can I pass them to
There
you?
we are. So don't forget, guys, you can always carry around the biscuits in your handbag. That's what you're doing, aren't
I
you?
am, yeah.
That's right. So you've been watching the videos quite often, haven't you?
Definitely,
and
yeah.
taking recommendations. Always carry around
always watch the
some
videos.
biscuits or anything you like for the cats. Oh, they like them. Are they the treat ones?
Yes.
They are. No wonder he's after you. Look at that. Well done. So, John, shall we do a little tour of this hotel?
Yep.
Are you coming with us or are you staying here?
stay here.
You're going to stay there. The crew's going to stay there, if you don't mind.
Yes,
and we'll
indeed.
go round, John.
Yes, perfect.
Well, thank you very much for the t-shirt.
Oh, excellent, it was.
Let's go round and have a look. Now, these are the gardens, aren't they?
Yes, yeah, the garden's here. Got a tennis court out the back
Ooh,
as well. Yeah,
wow,
so lovely
fantastic.
pools, lovely seated area. Yeah, it's really nice. Really
Look at
pleasant.
that. Well, let's have a walk round the gardens. Oh, there's a kids' pool. Loads of convenient located comfortable sunbeds and umbrellas, so you can choose whatever
Plenty
one
as
you
well.
want.
Plenty of them as well.
Oh, feel that breeze,
Yes,
John.
lovely.
Isn't it nice?
Lovely, yeah.
Lovely
Lovely spot.
breeze. Brilliant. So lovely gardens all the way round, guys. We've got shrubbery everywhere as well. And if you don't want the sunbeds on their own, you can get these cushions. You can get as many as you like. And we've got a secret path, a higgledy-piggledy path at the back. Oh, go ahead, John.
Thank you.
See what's going on at the back there. There we are. And I think there's some olive trees here. You haven't come across any fig trees here, have you? Oh, John, there's one over there. Let's go and have a look.
Let's have a look.
Let's see if there's any figs. Because it is fig season. It looks like good ones. Oh, there's 2 or 3. Let's have a look. Oh, this year they're all a bit hard, not very good. Have you spotted any, John? Oh, John, there we are. There we are. I think, John, you might be taller than me. Let's use my telescopic. Can you grab that, John? Look at that one. See that one? Just give it a twist. Oh, that looks nice. Oh, I think we should give that to the crew,
Yes.
shouldn't we?
Yes.
See if there's any more. There's one here, but it's quite small. Oh, we'll have it anyway.
Yep.
It's small. Look at that. That's a good one. Any more, John?
One here.
One. Oh, they are good, aren't they? Don't tell the owner, will you?
No,
We're having them away, aren't we?
It's our last
look
night.
at all that. Oh, it's the last night. Don't matter, does it? Oh, oh, look at that one, John. Oh, look at this. It really is a treat. You found more, John. Oh, well done, John. You hold on to a couple.
Should have brought a carry bag.
I know. Look at that. Wow. You do realise they're about €10 a kilo at the moment. Oh, look at the size of that one. Wow. We'll have that one and all. Right, let's go back to the crew, give them the figs, and then we carry on our tour. That's it. Oh, down the secret path. We passed the tennis court, by the way. So excited about the figs. I forgot to do the tennis court. It's over there, guys. Lovely tennis court. Anyway, John, where's your room?
Our room is this one here.
Oh, that
room
one.
219.
Oh, beautiful balconies, isn't they?
Stunning balconies.
Yeah, I love that shaped balcony.
They are nice.
Oh, what's your name?
Oh, Jean. I won't dare tell you what my husband calls me, but it's Jean.
Oh, does he call you something else, does he? Is it rude?
Fanny.
Oh, it's not like Greedy Chops then. And what's your name?
Malcolm.
Nice to see you, Malcolm.
Yeah.
Do you get away with calling her Fanny?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's excellent. I like that. Are you enjoying yourself here?
Yeah.
Well, it's
yeah.
nice to see you guys,
Every year.
and enjoy the rest of your holiday. See you later. You've got a lovely view of Elias Church, have you?
It's absolutely stunning.
No,
Yeah,
wow. We'll go and have a look, John. Let's go and have a look. Of course, this is the pool bar, by the way. There's the pool bar, lovely little bar. We've got reception just beyond the bar, and then we've got lovely screens everywhere. 1 minute, John. Always look out for the A-balls. Cocktail of the day, €3. Bargain.
Tried that today, George. It's lovely.
Is it?
Good cocktail.
Do you mean it's double delish?
Double
We'll let you get away with that one, John.
Yes.
That's your lovely chap. And you bought those amazing t-shirts. Right, let's go up on the lift. Oh, 1 minute. What's going on here, John?
Plenty of food to choose from.
Oh, wow. I love the pictures.
Yes.
That burger looks good, doesn't it, guys? And that is... How much is that, John? I haven't got my glasses on.
It's €9.90 for the
€9.90. Lovely, look at that.
Chicken burger with bacon, $7.90.
Wow, fresh salads. Village salad is
$8.90.
$8.90. Lucky you're here. We've got Cyprus special pita bread.
That's $9.90.
There we are. That's the kebab, by the way, not just the pita bread. There we are. Sandwiches, salads. Wow. Oh, have you tried one of these? That's the moussaka. I thought it was macaroni. It's your room, isn't it,
Yes,
John?
this is it, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
What'd you do? Have a party?
I know this is big enough for a disco.
It is.
Big
It
enough.
is. You could get one of those globes, couldn't you?
Yes.
Those glass globey things.
Yes.
Put it in the middle and have a party.
Yeah.
You can have an 80s and 90s party like we have on the St George's. So here's the front room, guys. Conveniently located chairs and tables there for your breakfast. That, I do believe, is a sofa bed. We've got a marvellous kitchen here, and it's got all the amenities. Look, toasters and kettles. You can have Cypriot bread. That's what
Yes,
you've got.
it is Cypriot
There we
bread.
are,
Yeah,
Cypriot
that's
bread.
it, yes.
Lovely, double delish.
Double delish.
What I do like is a TV there, and then somewhere to sit rather than in bed to watch
Yes.
TV.
Completely agree.
Yes, absolutely. Now this is the unusual balcony. It's lovely, isn't it?
It's
Very spacious. We've got convenient located comfortable chairs, I do believe, and squodgy towels.
yes.
And let's have a look over the balcony. Oh, here we are. That's where we've come from. The crew's down there, and then we've got the kids' pool. There's all the lovely lawn and all these amazing trees, and the fig trees, guys, by the way, little secret for our viewers, on the back of these trees here. So if you fancy some figs, you know where they are, don't you? We picked some anyway. So we've got more lovely grounds here, and I was just gonna say, where is the St Elias Church? What a great
Stunning
view.
And
It's
at night
absolutely amazing.
time, it's lit up and it's beautiful. It's stunning in the evening.
And of course, we are only across the road from Nick's bottle shop. So
Yes.
if you want to change your money, or you want a little tipple, slow beers, something to drink, anything you like, look out for the videos. There's Nick's bottle shop just across the road.
They serve everything.
I'll tell you what, so conveniently located, isn't it?
Yes, it is perfect.
There's a fantastic breeze here. Now, how far is the beach, John?
Depends which beach you go to. If we go to Pinera, so just down the road, probably about a 15-minute walk to the beach.
Not too bad
Not too
at
bad,
all.
yes.
So would you say that was the closest beach?
Yes, I'd say from here, definitely the closest
Brilliant,
beach.
thank you, John.
Yep.
15-minute walk. And of course, look at this. You can even see Protaras from here.
Yes, you can.
There
yes.
it is there. That's the dancing waters.
Yes, yeah, it is the dancing waters, yeah.
John, have you seen that in the evening?
No, we haven't actually seen that lit up. We have seen the big wheel slightly in
Oh
the
yes,
distance.
that's
We've seen
right,
that
yeah.
lit up, so
Yeah.
that's been lit up.
Now the dancing water show, it starts, I do believe, at 8 o'clock, goes on to 10 o'clock, so not long. So look out for that. Fantastic. Of course, you're far away not to hear it, but you can see it. So what's through this door?
This is the bedroom.
Oh, come on, John.
Here we go.
Oh, wow. This is lovely and cool in here. Of course, we've got the air conditioning units, and we've got 2 single beds that are made into a super double.
Yes.
And
yeah.
of course, we've got that view again. There it is.
Yep.
Lovely windows, aren't they? Now, I do believe they've changed their windows recently, and I could do with some of those windows for my house.
They're very soundproof.
They are lovely
Yes, they are
windows,
very good
yeah.
windows.
We've got loads of storage, and then we've got a dressing table.
Yes.
And this little stool becomes like a thing to put your suitcases on.
Yes, it does, yeah,
It
exactly.
doubles up, doesn't it?
Yes, it does,
Yeah.
yes.
Oh, spacious bathroom,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah,
Look
yeah,
at the
it's a
size
big
of that.
bathroom, yeah.
So a proper bath and a shower on top.
Yeah.
Lovely bathroom. Oh, I do like the shower screen.
Yes.
Isn't that nice?
It is nice.
Yeah, could do with that in my bathroom. Here we are back at reception. This is the lovely little restaurant, isn't it?
It's really sweet.
Brilliant.
Yeah, it's a really sweet restaurant.
Lovely little place.
Yeah.
I do like it here. It's like a little gem, isn't it? Here we are, we're back here, guys. There's our table. There's the crew. Hello, crew. You all right? We've been round.
Yeah.
Is that all right? And we've done it all correctly. Is that all right? Oh, look. She's at, oh, look. Oh, hello.
Come at the right time.
Come at the right time. Can we have a look at your what you're having? What is it? An omelette.
Cheese and onion
That looks double delish, doesn't it? I do like your crinkly chips, by the way. Very unusual. Let's go round here. And what you got? Chicken kebab. Chicken kebab, double delish. Look at that. Well, you tuck in, guys. So I did confess to the owner. Is he the owner, by the way, behind the bar?
I'm not sure.
No, we're not sure, guys, but I did confess that we stole his figs, and he said you're more than welcome, and he's cleaned them for us as well. So do you want to try one? Have you ever tried a fig straight from the
I've
tree?
never tried a fresh fig.
But you've seen it on our video, haven't
I've
you?
seen it on
Sort
the
of-
videos,
Yeah,
yes,
sort of
yeah.
going round
Yes.
picking stuff and
Yeah.
eating it.
Yeah, I have,
well,
yeah.
why don't you try one?
I'm going to try one.
I think the little, don't have the little stem at the top.
No.
Don't have the little stem, but you can eat the rest. Break it open first. Take the stem off. Now break it open just in case there's some creatures or something in there that's rotten. Now that one don't look too bad. I will try half of it for you. Make sure it's all right. I feel a bit guilty if it's not. It's fine.
Alright. No.
They are delicious,
yeah,
aren't they?
delish,
Now
they
that
are.
particular one's not particularly ripe at the moment, but it's ripe enough to eat.
Nice.
There you are, double delish. Why don't you try one? Right, you grab one. I think you should have that one, or that one. Try that one. There you are. I picked one for you.
Thank you.
Take the little stem off. Now, if you don't fancy the skin, you can actually peel them if you fancy peeling them.
Yeah.
You're right. Now, split it open, have a look inside. There's no worms or anything. No, they're fine.
Look okay.
Go on, have a taste. It's delicious, isn't it?
Double delish.
Yeah.
Oh, it's quite nice.
Yeah. Delish. We call it
Delish.
delish. We won't go
delish.
mad.
No.
No,
Delish.
you-
Delish.
We will go delish with
Yeah,
those
yeah,
ones.
yeah.
Well, sometimes they are double delish. Well, John, thank you very much for
No
the
problem,
t-shirts
George.
and the
Fantastic.
tour of the hotel. We've had a lovely afternoon and we've had figs and all.
Spoiled.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.